Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
In Nagaland and several other northeastern states, the COVID battle is being fought not just by the state governments but by the local communities themselves. Even as governments are busy imposing a strict regime of quarantine and testing for every returnee, local communities have decided to organize themselves in a unique way. Like any other northeastern states in India, the community here in Kohima have joined hands in fight against the COVID-19. Be it by educating people on social distancing and hygiene, or by setting up rules in order to prevent community spread. Everyone in the community are at the forefront in fight against the COVID-19.
In a village setup, they don't have proper toilet system. So many families, they stay together in 1 or 2 rooms. So to avoid that and to really ensure that this do not spread to any other member of the family, we have done that. Now, how we operate this community care center is, this is headed by the youth. We have under Kohima Village Council frontal organizations, like we have the Kohima Village Youth Organization, we have the Kohima Village Students Organization, we have the Kohima Village Women Organization, and then we have KZK. These are the young girls, mainly consisting of the matriculated girls. And so all this we put together, and we have decided to have it in a place a little bit away from the main village and the town, so that they in a way are isolated. And we decided to form this committee, and this committee will raise their own funds.
मान काम करते के लिए भी गवर्नमेंट पर फैसिलिटी को ध्यान है किंतु हम इंडिविजुअली हम पर फाइनेंशियल टू डोनेशन दिखना हम काम कर जाए और बेसी बनी भी आगे याते बोगिना खुशी पागिना जाए हम खान गवर्नमेंट पर कितना इतु कैंडिडेट खान इतु आमी वो कोदे रुकी वो इतु तांदे हम पर यूथ खान और इतु COVID-19 एक्शन कमिटी खाना जाइना चते तखान पर इतु खान भी उठा लोगो दावाई की लगा रहा तो लगे वो और बहन था तुमने इतु लोगिना हम इतु COVID-19 लगा इतु होन क्वारंटाइन होन दे आगे ना रखी थी वो और हम खा लगा होले भी कोदे होले भी हम बड़ा यूथ खाने बात पना के ना और महान कॉलोनी एल्डर खाने आगे ना शायद ना तो किलो को दे मिलाए ना काम करा से कॉलोनी मानू खान तो इसी मानू तो कोम्बा तो फाइनेंशियल 10,000 में दीजिए 5,000 में दीजिए और 1,000 कोम्बा आलू के नहीं दिए कोम्बा चावल के नहीं दिए ना होना हम इतना तो को दिता ना पागे ना महान कॉलोनी से इतना काम को बोले पारे से और इतना भी मानू आदमी भी हमें दिता न है हमें खा लगा तो ले सब ठीक ठाक अरेंज करना है और हमें रूम होले भी सब कैपेसिटी तो 20 money भी बहुत बड़ा लगा कैपेसिटी इतु अरेंज करना बोया है.
These community quarantine facilities set up in colonies are monitored by volunteers, mainly youths who ensure that the inmates follow the home quarantine rules. When the print reached one such community quarantine facility in Kohima's Upper Chanmari colony, a 13-member team of local COVID-19 task force were hard at work.
So we started with 2 inmates. Now, 14 days complete. The second batch came. 5 of them came, we just released them, the total 7th, and now we are keeping around 5 of them here now at present. No work distribution to kumba ine kam na tha adi to julli uthise mina aya khan do ine aina dekshan bhi jula suru jai fresh saina to ina deksi sapa hole do ine aya khan ina bat khami bana suru jai na kudega actually ami ando yeti nogumai tangi nurkhya. So, but we stay late around 11 to 12 with them. Not with them, but just stay here. And if they need something like water, we just used to wait till 12. And 12 enough, I mean, get born good. So check 12 enough.
According to the chief medical officers of Kohima and Dimapur, the proactive action by the communities has played a significant role in the state's COVID response. From Kohima, this is Yamkamla Longkumar with Angana Chakrabarti for The Print.